Excuse me, is anyone sitting here?
No, go ahead. The seat is free.
Thanks. This restaurant is packed tonight.
Yeah, Friday nights in New York are always busy.
I can see that. The atmosphere here is amazing, though.
Definitely. The food is even better.
Good to know. It's actually my first time here.
Really? Then you picked a great place.
I hope so. I spent almost 30 minutes deciding where to eat.
That sounds about right for New York. Too many choices.
Exactly. Every street has 10 different restaurants.
That's one of the best things about this city.
Are you from New York?
Originally, no. I moved here about 6 years ago.
Wow. How was the adjustment?
Difficult at first. Everything moves very fast here.
I noticed that immediately. Everyone walks so quickly.
If you walk slowly in New York, people get annoyed.
I learned that today in Times Square. Someone almost pushed me aside.
Welcome to New York.
Honestly, it's exciting though.
It is. The city has a special energy.
I arrived yesterday and I already feel inspired.
That happens to a lot of people here.
Have you always wanted to live in New York?
Pretty much. Ever since I was a teenager.
What made you move here?
I wanted better career opportunities.
What do you do?
I work as a photographer, mostly fashion and street photography.
No way! That sounds amazing!
It sounds glamorous, but it's a lot of work.
I can imagine. Long hours?
Very long hours sometimes, especially during fashion season.
Still, it must be interesting meeting creative people.
That's the best part of the job.
I work in video editing, so I understand the creative industry a little.
Really? What kind of videos do you edit?
Mostly YouTube content and social media videos.
That's cool. Social media is huge these days.
Yeah, sometimes it feels like the entire world lives online.
Honestly, that's probably true.
Especially in New York. Everyone here seems busy filming content.
Influencers everywhere.
Exactly. I saw 3 people dancing for TikTok near Times Square earlier.
That's completely normal now.
It still feels funny to me.
Give it a few days. You'll stop noticing it.
Good evening. Can I get you started with drinks? I'll have a lemonade, please.
Iced coffee for me.
Great. I'll be right back. Thanks.
So,